My name is Amaya Long Lindsay, and I have partnered with St. Luke's East to tackle patient food labeling. 47-year-old Joe Swanson is admitted into the hospital for stomach troubles. He later is diagnosed with gastritis. Doctors try to offer him a chicken sandwich, but he refuses and says he will eat it later. A week goes by before he eats it. He then catches salmonella. The nurses fail to follow proper patient food handling rules and throw his old food away. Following his salmonella, he now has reactive arthritis, which takes months to years to treat. In the hospital, the problem is needing a consistent and updated process for labeling of outside patient food for inpatient units. The patient food process is lacking a consistent dating process across all units. This places the food at risk for expiring without being removed in a timely manner. There is also more than patient food in the fridges, which is a problem. This problem was found by talking to the nursing staff. Without proper food labeling, there is no way of knowing how long food has been in the patient fridge. This is especially bad with outside food, mostly meat, because outside food is harder to track. And without proper labels, there is no way of knowing which of the patients that the food belongs to. The solution consists of putting up new up-to-date signs out. The solution consists of putting new up-to-date signs out that indicate patient food needs. The labels now are not accurate, and staff neglect the cluttered current signs. Also, steadily reminding staff to keep all needs regarding patient food handling within hospital requirements. This solution takes a few weeks of designing and a budget of $100. This is my visual for new patient food labels, something simplistic yet informal. The old sign to the left has cluttered and organized old information, while my new design, which is to the right, is one piece of information, making it easier for staff to know the key point of the updated food handling rules. Upon asking staff what they felt would be a beneficial way to learn these new guidelines, most staff members said updated, fewer signs would work. I took 6 to 7 signs and turned them into one informal, formatted sign with key elements. My solution was reached by doing clinical rounds and asking hospital staff what needed to be done. These questions were asked based off of current guidelines versus old guidelines of food handling. Majority of the staff knew nothing about the new guidelines, which is why my idea for updated labels will help encourage them to keep up. 5 main questions such as, can you tell me the process for food labeling? How long should the patient food be in the patient refrigerators? How frequently are you putting outside patient food in the refrigerator? What would be beneficial to help remember the guideline process? And what are some challenges to completing this process were used to track what would be the best option, and following survey questions such as, is there patient food in the fridge? Any patient trays in the fridge? Is the labeling process being followed? How many fridges on the unit? And do all of these fridges have a sign? What is needed from you? In order to move my idea forward, we are asking that you grant us money no more than $100. We need this money to print the new format of information. If staff are not aware of guidelines, this could lead to a lot more hospital-acquired infections. Patient food labeling is lacking a consistent, up-to-date process, causing patients to be more prone to hospital-acquired infections. With your help, we can get nurses the correct information they need to ensure the following proper food handling guidelines and keep patients from hospital-acquired infections. Thank you.